Everybody look at me, I'm Jazzy James.
Jazzy James! What is good, everyone? Eric Oakley of Infinite Disc, and we're back for another Is That Good series. I have James Proctor, and we have the Metal Flake Max. So tell us about this, James. What makes this disc so good, and why did you choose it as your tour series?
Hello, everyone, first of all. I chose the Max because I wanted something kind of unique that they hadn't been making for a couple years, and so I wanted to bring something back that I thought people would enjoy. And so far it's been that good tweener disc between a Firebird and a Destroyer when I either don't want to crank on a Firebird or I want to back off a Destroyer. This one kind of fits that slot perfectly. They have somewhat of a straight flight with a very predictable finish, so it's kind of nice. You can flex them. You could throw them for spike hyzers, sidearm backhand, pretty much you know, whatever you're feeling.
Yeah, to me the shape is really nice. Like I used to throw Metal Flake Max when I was with Discmania back in the day when we were able to have a couple extra molds, and I remember being so beefy. But like you're saying, these don't feel as overstable maybe as that run, but this is still a very overstable disc.
Yeah, you know,
it's more in that utility slot, but it can do a lot of things, especially with the power that you have. You know, I think that is why this disc can have more versatility than most, which is really nice.
Yeah, you know, it's definitely it definitely has more glide than those older Maxes did, but it's, you know, it's a little more user friendly, I want to say, with still that predictable Max finish. So similar to like a faster Sexton, okay, probably a little bit more stable at the end, but it has that kind of true flight to it.
Dude, hearing faster Sexton, that seems like more people need to dial in and try these out for sure. So yeah, definitely excited to give these a rip. We're going to test them in the field. We're going to test them on the course. You know, just really put ourselves in some situations, because I can see this being like having utility. Like I can see thumbers, grenades, Scoobies, you name it, being thrown with these discs. So I feel like it's, I'm just excited to go get it.
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's do it.
All right, so for the first shot, just to kind of give you an idea of how it flies, I'm going to just try to hit this to the right of those hay bales, hard and flat, and hopefully it'll go flat for a little while and then have that trusty hyzer at the end.
We got a little bit of a tailwind here too, so this will show the stability really nice. Yeah, pretty predictable. Pretty almost spot on that 350 mark.
There we
go. All right, I'm gonna try and do the same thing. Like, you're trusting it flat.
Yes.
Okay. I pushed over on that. Wow, it came out. That's sweet.
That was going to be the next line I was going to try to throw.
All right, a little
force
flexing.
it over. Force it over a little bit.
Show me. Let it ride, and then I'm from the Show Me State. You know that. Wow. That is reliable, dude.
Oh yeah.
That was sweet.
It's good for these courses with OB, you know, you can just trust it up to the right, know it's coming back.
All right, so I'm gonna try and get this one more flat rather than over the top.
Perfect. Nice.
Dude, that is good.
Yes, sir. Ooh.
Max, really good. Can't wait to throw it on a forehand because it just feels like this super reliable disc. And especially being faster than those typical 9-speeds.
Yep.
I feel like it offers a little bit more. You can trust it, you can stretch it just with that little extra ease.
Yeah,
love
totally.
it. All right, let's go get them. So Maxes, forehands, are we trying to rip these over the top? You trying to rip them flat? What are you thinking?
Well, as a forehand specialist,
yeah,
I try to keep it super simple and do mostly just a flat angle.
Okay.
Let them ride flat for a while, hyzer finish. If you do need to torque them, you know, it might take a little bit for it to come out, but it'll come out at the end.
All right. All right, show me how it's done. I'm thinking like we're just trying to push just past like this 250, in between the 250 and the 350 on these, right? Maybe, or just right at the 250 could be good.
Clear the 250.
Clear the 250? All right, let's do it.
That's what that disc is supposed to do.
That's so good. That's so good.
30.
You could just, I feel like you can rip on these.
Yeah.
And you're still going to get plenty of distance.
Let's see it.
Yeah.
Very
Good ground play. It comes out fast. It doesn't feel bad on a forehand either. Like I feel like I don't feel like I'm ever gonna misrelease this because it just feels confident.
Yeah.
Like I feel like if I need to touch it, I can. Yeah. I'm gonna try one over the top on the next one. How are you throwing it?
I'm gonna try to ace the 250.
Ace the 250. All right. Little wide. Distance was probably perfect though. Yeah, it was.
A little wide.
A little wide. I liked it though.
40 footer.
All right. So I'm gonna go flexi. Let's try and push this over.
Ooh.
Shoot, boy, look at that thing just hyzers.
Very good.
350, easy flight.
Very good.
God, I can't wait to take this to the course.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. We'll see it over on the course. Yeah, we'll be over there. All right, so we're here with the Max. I feel like this is the type of approach I'd be looking to throw a Max on. How often are you throwing it for sidearms? Like, is it mainly a backhand, or is it kind of just you pick it and choosing?
It's a little bit of both. Sidearms, I mostly hit it flat,
Okay.
and I like that little drift before the predictable finish.
Sure.
Backhand, I kind of just use it for spike hyzers when I don't want to throw a Firebird as hard as I can.
Sweet. Yeah, I can't wait to get to the island hole to throw this one as well. Just crack it nice and hard on a sidearm where, you know, like a Firebird like this, I feel like I'm having to throw like kind of extra hard to get there, where I can maybe control this and make sure I'm placing the angle a little bit more, because that speed for the Max is going to work for it.
Yep.
You want to show me how it's done?
I'll give it a shot.
Let's go, baby.
Let's do it. Forehand specialist. You're a forehand guy.
Oh yeah. Speed's good though. Front skip.
Yep.
That's buckets.
Yep.
That's buckets. Make that putt. Trim cameo too.
Oh yeah, I'm in.
All right, I'm gonna probably, like, I've been throwing a similar shot where I've been going kind of like higher and wider at this, like kind of at the tree line.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try and do that same thing.
I like that. Oh yeah, okay. There's a lot of airspace up there. I like that. It's taking a lot of the steam
It's soft.
off the flight of the disc by going that high wide.
Yeah.
I'm more neutral still, but I like that shot, but I don't think I'm gonna do it.
Ah. Sorry, there's a bug. The bug literally just flew right into my face and my
I don't
ear.
care about that. I don't care about the sound you made.
Hole 3, another hole that I was thinking exactly kind of type of shot that I could throw this Max on. I mean, how hard do you think I should throw this? Should I be ripping on it? Should I be trying to keep it flat? How am I hitting this thing?
I would focus on just hitting it flat. You don't need to rip it too hard. If you get it flat, the speed will carry you through the gap, and then you'll still have that hyzer finish.
All right, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do exactly what James said.
I'm gonna do that.
I'm gonna do that.
Oh, tasty morsels. That is so good.
Tough skip, but that was sweet. Dude, I mean, I like the speed that it has out of my hand, and like I could just trust that it's going to get around that last set of trees.
I'm not worried about the skip right now. The line was glorious.
Yeah, you know me.
Oh, Eric.
You know me.
You want to talk me into this shot? There.
Oh, tournament play. Found.
Oh, perfect. Max, baby. It's good. Let's go. Hole 5. Easy hole. You're gonna hit it pretty hard?
I'm going to hit, well, yeah, for my big world-class forehand, I'm going to hit it basically as hard as I can.
Show me the
And,
way. I'm gonna try and follow your line a little bit.
All right. See if I can find the right change.
If you got a black ace on this hole,
Impressive. Dude, that's buckets.
Oh, inbounds, baby.
Yeah, you could pull that a little tighter.
Yeah,
Distance-wise, you had that spot on.
pulled it a little bit.
All right. Not gonna follow your line exactly, but I'm gonna try and correct off of it. AJ? Where's AJ? I think that bad. All good. Do you have the other one? Got me good. I missed you.
That thing's been growing for a while.
All right, hit it again. Let's trust it.
Oh yeah. Money and sticky. Buckets, dude. It's such a good disc.
With a disc this overstable, James, a shot that I really like to go for is what I was told was a Scooby. I think is more now known as a grenade. So I'm gonna throw this thing upside down. Basket's just on the other side of this. All I'm trying to do is throw it super high.
Yeah.
Think it's gonna work it?
I think it'll work.
Let's go. All right. As high as I possibly can. That was the second one. First one. Grenades to play. Max is a great disc for it.
All right, we got a uphill hyzer, skip left, aka the max hole.
Max hole.
Easy.
Perfect shot for the max. Hit it hard. Let the disc do the work.
How hard are you trying to hit it? Are you trusting it kind of full power? Or are you trying to still kind of control it on this shot? Because you can't go long, right? So
Correct. I'm going hyzer angle, so I'm gonna hit it pretty hard and just trust that it's gonna work left and be short of the OB.
awesome. I'm gonna try and follow your line.
Let's do it.
You keep saying that, but you never do it.
Oh,
Yeah,
boy,
just like
that's a
that.
beefy burger.
That worked. We'll hit it again.
Yeah,
All right, I'm gonna go a little higher than you.
maybe a little higher.
Yeah. Definitely try and challenge it.
Oh my gosh. All beef patty.
I feel like it's perfect.
That is perfect. That's a perfect drive.
Dude!
You just did a perfect drive.
Let's go, baby. So, after testing it in the field, after testing it on the course, I think it's safe to say the James Proctor Max is good.
It's a good disc.
Dude, really good disc. I think the versatility for those who love Firebirds, those who love monsters, those who love Captain's Raptors, Scepters, Omens, you name it, this is something that could easily fit into their bag as just a slightly faster option.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And if you were someone who loved the old Maxes, the super overstable ones, it's a different disc than that, but I think it complements it well. Okay, it's almost like a super beat up version of that. If you had one that was worn in that you loved for a couple years, this is how it'll fly right out of the box. So
Love it.
definitely, give it a try. As you saw in this video, it does the job.
It really does. So, everybody, how do they follow you? Do you want to give shout out to some of your sponsors?
First and foremost, Innova. They're the ones who made this possible.
Damn.
Birdie, and yeah, follow me on my socials, James Proctor. Yeah.
Easy to find. It'll be linked here in the video, so make sure you check it out. Go grab Metal Flake, James Proctor, Max. Support this guy while he's on the road. He's out here grinding, and he's definitely been, a person that I've grown very close to. So please support this man. Keep him on the road. He's good for disc golf, and he's good, just like his disc.
Thank you.
All right.
Appreciate it.
We'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Be awesome. Okay, bye.